What if your 30-year mortgage could be gone in just 10 years? Imagine waking up knowing you own your home outright. The money you once paid in interest now builds your future. This isn't a fantasy, it's a plan. Today, I'll give you 5 powerful strategies to slash years and tens of thousands off your loan. These are simple, actionable steps you can start right after this video. Your countdown to financial freedom starts now. Let's dive in. Alright, let's dive into secret number 5. Make extra principal payments. This is where you start taking real control of your mortgage and accelerating your path to financial freedom. Most people just pay the minimum amount due each month. They get stuck in a cycle, making the bank rich and staying trapped in debt for decades. It's a long, slow drain on your resources. But here's the game changer. Every extra dollar you pay directly to the principal balance of your loan immediately shrinks your loan amount and dramatically slashes the amount of future interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. It's like giving yourself a raise. For example, let's say you add just $100 to your monthly payment. On a $400,000 mortgage with a 6% interest rate, that small change makes a huge difference. You'll pay off your mortgage nearly 4 years early. Imagine what you could do with that extra time and money. And the best part? You'll save over $55,000 in interest payments. That's real money back in your pocket. Don't feel like you need to start big. Start small. $25, $50, whatever you can realistically afford each month. Every little bit helps. To make it even easier, automate those extra payments for consistency. Set it and forget it. Each extra payment is a direct hit to your debt, chipping away at that principal balance. You're not just paying a bill, you're investing in your future. You're buying back your freedom from debt and building a more secure financial life. So check your budget, see where you can trim expenses and find that extra cash. And when you make that payment, make absolutely sure it's clearly marked principal only. This ensures the money goes directly to reducing your loan balance. This is your first punch against that mortgage. Simple, powerful, and incredibly effective in the long run. Take control of your timeline and start accelerating your journey to a debt-free life. Alright, are you ready to keep going? Let's move on to the next secret and unlock even more ways to save. Ready? Secret number 4, refinance to a shorter-term loan. A 15-year mortgage means higher payments but a much lower interest rate and massive savings. On a $400,000 loan, you could save over $270,000 in interest by switching from a 30-year to a 15-year term. Yes, the payment is higher, but more goes to principal and you build equity fast. If you've paid off other debts or your income has grown, this is your moment. The 15-year loan automates your aggressive payoff plan. Every payment carves away your balance. Call your lender, run the numbers, and see if you can make it work. Even moving to a 20-year loan saves you a fortune. Shorten the race, win faster. Next up, a clever payment hack. Secret number 3, the bi-weekly payment strategy. Instead of monthly payments, pay half your mortgage every 2 weeks. That's 26 half payments or 13 full payments a year. One extra payment without feeling the pinch. This can cut over 5 years off your loan and save you $70,000 plus in interest. But set it up right. Talk to your lender or use a separate savings account to collect the extra payment. Automate it, and you'll chip away at your mortgage painlessly. It's a simple calendar trick with huge results. Outpace your debt with small, steady steps. Let's talk about using windfalls to supercharge your progress. Ready for secret 2? Secret number 2. Use windfalls and bonuses as mortgage missiles. Think of them as powerful tools in your arsenal, ready to strike a blow against your debt. Tax refunds, work bonuses, cash gifts, these are opportunities knocking at your door. While most people spend them on fleeting pleasures, you'll strategically use them to aggressively destroy your debt and reclaim your financial future. Throw every unexpected dollar, no matter how small it seems, directly at your principal. A $3,000 tax refund, for example, could wipe out 6 months of payments in one shot, accelerating your journey to being mortgage-free. Make it a habit. Any extra money, big or small, immediately goes straight to your mortgage. Automate the process if you can, to ensure consistency. Over a decade, these lump sums consistently applied can cut 5-7 years off your loan, saving you thousands in interest. No amount is too small. Every bit accelerates your freedom and brings you closer to your goal. See every windfall as a tool for your future, a chance to build wealth and security, not a fleeting thrill that leaves you empty-handed. Make a pact with yourself. Next time you get extra cash, no matter the source, send it directly to your mortgage. This is how you buy back years of your life, one windfall at a time. Now let's talk about the ultimate power move, a strategy so precise and effective, it's like wielding a surgeon's tool. the financial scalpel. Secret number 1, cut expenses and reallocate savings. This is where we grab the financial scalpel and get precise. We're not just trimming, we're strategically reshaping your financial landscape. Track every dollar for a month. Yes, every single one. Use an app, a notebook, whatever works. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Find the fat in your budget. Identify those areas where your money is leaking out without providing real value. Be honest with yourself. Cancel unused subscriptions. That streaming service you forgot about, the gym membership you never use, cut them loose. Make coffee at home. It's a small change with a big impact over time. Plus, you can customize it exactly how you like it. Pack lunches. Eating out adds up quickly. Homemade lunches are healthier and easier on your wallet. Redirect those savings, say $400/month, straight to your mortgage. Treat it like a bill you can't skip. On a $400,000 loan, that alone can pay off your mortgage 9 years early. Imagine what you could do with those extra years of financial freedom, and save $140,000 in interest. That's a down payment on another property, a college fund, or early retirement. This is the engine behind all the other strategies. Without it, the rest is just wishful thinking. Master your cash flow, and you'll have the power to attack your debt from every angle. You'll be in control, not the other way around. It's not about deprivation, it's about conscious spending and investing in your freedom. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals. Every dollar you save is a vote for your future self. It's an investment in your dreams and aspirations. Make this a lifestyle, not a sacrifice. Find joy in the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Watch your balance drop and your freedom grow. Witness the tangible results of your hard work and dedication. Now let's wrap it up. You've got the tools. Now go build your financial future. 5 secrets. 1 mission: mortgage freedom in 10 years. Combine these strategies and you'll create unstoppable momentum. The result? Peace of mind, security, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Don't just watch, take action. Pick one strategy and start today. Your journey to mortgage freedom begins now. The clock is ticking. If you need help or would like to see a plan designed specific to your goals, drop me an email found in the description below. Let's go make it happen.